Get ready to strike first, strike hard and show no mercy. Because Cobra Kai is back with Season 7 Episode 1 and it's kicking off with more fire than before. Alliances will be tested, old rivalries reunited, and a shocking twist is about to flip the drop war on its head. Are you ready to return to the match? Because this episode doesn't hold back and neither should you. Cobra Kai Season 7 Episode 1 is officially on its way and the dojo drama is about to explode on a global scale. The final season kicks off with an Eagle Frank and Miyagi preparing for the ultimate showdown at the Seiki Toki and the international karate tournament that will decide who truly reigns supreme. With the valley rivalries now shifting to a global stage, tensions are running high and every fighter knows that the stakes have never been the intense. But just when it seems like peace might be possible, the most shocking twist from Season 6 comes back to haunt everyone. John Cressy is alive, free and more dangerous than ever. His prison escape wasn't just about the survival, it was a calculated move, and now fans are speculating that he might create a darker, deadlier version of Cobra Kai or attempt to manipulate his way back into the old job. Meanwhile, Johnny Daniel and Chozen are trying to hold their alliances together, but under the pressure of international eyes and personal grudges, cracks are staring to show. The emotional fallout from previous season is very real. Tori is struggling with guilt and redemption after betraying Silver, and the team is unsure whether to trust or not to trust. Mughal and Robbie are still navigating their past conflicts while Hawk, Sam and the rest of the students must train harder than ever before to face an entirely new breed of international opponents. Episode 1 is rumored to introduce fiercely new fighters from across the world, possibly backed up by powerful rival senseis who won't fight fair. And fan theories are going wild in speculations about a potential return of a classic Karate Kid character, one that could fill the balance of power in a way no one expects. With emotional intensity, high-stakes training, shocking revelations and global-level rivalries, Cobra Kai Season 7 Episode 1 is setting up a legendary finale. This episode promises non-stop action, epic drama and a jaw-dropping cliffhanger that will leave fans begging for more. One thing is clear, Cobra Kai isn't done yet and it's a final battle the whole world is watching, and that's just the beginning. Season 7 is already setting the stage for the most intense showdown yet. With secrets unrevealing and the new threats rising, one thing is for sure, the valley will never be the same. Don't forget to subscribe to Primeflix TV for all the latest Cobra Kai breakdowns, theories and epic episode escapes. Until then, stay focused and remember, the fight is far from over.